your brave face on, Grace. Okay. Alright. Alright. Let's go. Let's go. Alicia. Alicia. Come to me, Alicia. What are we gonna do? We're gonna kill her. Hello? Is somebody in there? Who are you? I'm okay. What is that? What's that noise? What is that noise? You have got no! No! I hate the dark. I hate the dark. Oh god. Okay. Okay. Thank God for light. Superstition ain't the way. Hey, hey. Yeah, it is. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. No. 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 No, please don't. Ow. Ow. What the heck? Oh, I'm tired. Let's. Everyone! I just saw a midget. It was like.
Grace, what are you talking
You're
about?
imagining things.
No, it was there.
Whatever.
We're going to get a drink. We'll be right back.
You gotta think about this stuff before you say it.
Yeah. But I don't.
We really think
Don't
you're
leave
dumb.
me.
You can say it.
Please.
Just stay there. We'll get you a drink.
Midgets aren't real. Nope, not real. Nope. Hallucinating. You were hallucinating.
Grace!
Sweet Jesus, they're not real. They're not real.
Told her. Grace! Oh, what? Is that from the closet? Hello?
Hello. Come to the dark side.
We have cookies!
Cookies? I like cookies. Oh, but I'm afraid of the closet.
This isn't a closet. It isn't? Shh! No, it's not a closet! We have cookies!
This is a happy place. Okay.
Oh, oh, oh!
That was easy.
Cookies are good too. Told you we needed cookies. Did not. Did too. Did not. Did too. Did not. The walls. They're everywhere.
Dun, dun, dun. She believed she could fly. You do this. The light. It's dark! It's dark! No, no! Ow, I did it. What are you doing?
What the heck? I'm laughing.
Like, you won't have to stay on there very long, I guess. Okay, don't try to breathe through your nose. That'll make it worse. Are you gonna like zoom out? What are you doing?
What are you doing? She's putting the clip on my head, not the camera.
Okay.